How to verify a Wise account. So from the main page of Wise, we want to click on our name in the top right corner, and you should be able to see this option that says complete account at the bottom if you haven't verified your account yet. So select it. It will show you all of the steps that you have completed, as well as ones that you will need to complete if you want to verify your account. So as you can see, for me, it's left to verify my identity and add payment details. If we click on continue, it will ask us if we want a Wise card, but we're going to skip for now. So basically, if you want to verify, you have to input 20 euros in my case to confirm that it's actually me. So just leave this as the amount is set already. Click on continue. And the next step is verifying our identity before it actually asks us to add money. So how we can do this, we can scan a QR code to get the application, we can get a link by email, or we can use our desktop. So I'm going to select this option. I don't have a phone. It will tell us that it might be harder to do with webcam, but we're going to select continue anyway. We have to select our ID issuing country. So just leave this as your country. It should automatically detect it, and select the document type, whether it's a passport, national ID, refugee identity document. So I'm going to do national ID. Click on next, and it will ask you to take pictures of your ID. So it's going to ask for both front and back of your ID card, and then after that it will also ask to take pictures of your face. So if you're wearing any glasses, you want to take them off for the sake of the picture, so it can verify that it's actually you, and it can link your identity card to your face. So that's what the verification process looks like. Hope this was helpful. Hope you know what to expect now. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.